Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So again, if you are watching together with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out, okay, so that we can have more viewer. And then, of course, a quick disclaimer over here. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on a discussion in this morning, so make sure your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. All right. So today we're going to continue to look into the overall market sentiments, some updates. Yesterday we do see a rebound, okay, from the FBM KLCI, but looks like today again it start a bit wide a bit and boring a bit, okay. But hopefully from here we will see a little bit of technical rebound, right? So let's start with FBM KLCI chart first. Again, yesterday one day up bar candles doesn't mean it will change the directions. I don't think so, but just that at least I'm expecting some sort like a technical rebound. Okay, hopefully it can challenge back to 1550 lah. Okay, based on weekly chart over here. So hopefully from yesterday rebound, we can actually see here before they try back around this support area over here. Okay, so hopefully somehow next week we're able to see a small rally coming in, okay, for 1 or 2 weeks time frame for us to look into some short-term opportunity. Now there are a few counter actually I think we can monitor that, okay. For our short-term opportunity, I'm actually monitoring a few counter as well. If I got chance, if let's say got price is good, maybe I'll try some for my short terms. Okay, so now let's go into the OFMKLCI right now. Yesterday they tried to continue to challenge this gap area, which is 1520. Okay, the main area is around 1520. Okay, so that's why I want to see how actually the price react, okay, around this zone. Okay, if let's say it goes up, or shooting star rejected, it's gonna take some time. Okay, but of course, just now let's say we look at weekly charts. The main one is 1550. So I think that to change 1520 probably still possible. Okay, for them to try again before they drop back to support again. Okay, because the volume yesterday actually is considered quite high. Okay, not to say very high, but at least it's increasing. So I think that yeah, probably a technical rebound might happen from here. Okay, so this is based on the overall FBM KLCI. Now let's look into the so-called sectors overall. So we have this KLCI. Okay, today everything is in red. Oh, okay. Yesterday technical rebounds. Today everything red. Okay. So yeah, this is again what happened in the markets. Okay, SKB short. Okay, I'll look into SKB short. Okay, let's try technology because some of the tech counter actually started to move a little bit already. Okay, and actually, if you ask me, I kind of like the so-called the tech counters. Okay, some of them. Okay, we checked it together. Okay, looks like volume is building up. Okay, but overall the index itself it didn't show some change in terms of the trend. Now let's try SKB short. Okay. Oh, ayo, apa jadi? So this one looks like the wash balloon end. Okay, this is to Joel. So okay, now SKB short, previously I'm quite interested also. But again, if let's say they drop below this gap area, so I would think that the trend is a bit weak. Okay, it's kind of similar like what happened to FBM KLCI also, right? So right now, I think they are still in the wash area. So this is a long terms of so-called a long period of reaccumulation with shakeout. Okay, so notice over here, previously we got one shakeout as well. Okay, here probably another one. Okay, so expect them to test. Okay, somehow near this support area. I think it's around like 71 cents like this. Okay, maybe it still will drop. Now today gap down is not the most so-called nice setups or nice candle. Okay, but luckily for today is that it didn't come with high volume. Okay, it's a gap down, but luckily it didn't come with a high volume gap. So which means yes, is weak, but it's not that bad. Okay, just that I'm not sure you're looking for entry. If you're looking for entry, yes, you might want to check out this support. But just to let you know, shakeout usually take times one. Okay, I cannot assure you that it hits support with rebound. Okay, sometimes it just sideways this zone for a period of time. Okay, and it's kind of boring. Okay, Tenaga break support already. Okay, yesterday I didn't see the closing. Okay, yesterday it didn't see a closing. Looks like trying to go back. Okay, like I say, once break this support area, I think you need to be careful. This is more like a shakeout zone again. Okay, kind of similar like what happened to SKB shot. Okay, but this one shake out quite fast. They will shake out second day, goes back up here one day, here also 2 day go back up. Here I'm not sure. Okay, but be extra careful in this kind of area. Like I said, no, break below this support, I don't like it. Okay, even though yesterday they tried to go back up. Okay, now for me, because like I said, I'm still holding half, I considering to exit everything first. Okay, okay, last line of defense, 113 ringgit. Okay, this is your last line of defense. Okay, but this currently is a shakeout zone. Shakeout zone is a bit 50-50 sometimes. Okay, so yeah, I gotta monitor the 13 ringgits as your last defense. Okay, for me, because I'm holding, I'm in profits. I think I don't want to risk too much. Okay, with the profit I'm having right now, so that's why I'm planning to exit first. Okay, and I wait for the next so-called patterns to form. Okay, for my next low risk opportunities. Okay, but right now, okay, I'm not sure Grace are looking for entry exit. So if you're looking for entry, so far not bad. Okay, so far it's not bad, but it's a shakeout area. Okay, so again, shakeout area sometimes it will take some time. Okay, sideways somewhere around here. But so far, the Naga looks like quite fast. Usually 2 days team already, 1 day team already. But this one I'm not sure. Okay, because this one is actually come with a slight weak markets. Okay, so maybe sometimes it take a little bit of time. So okay, now Maybank still good in my opinions. Okay, yesterday I think the other day you do a gap down, but someone luckily they told me because of the dividend if I'm mistaken. Okay, so now this candle adjusted already. For me, this one also, even though volume is not that high, but it looks like this is like a pullback with a hammer. Okay, now if you ask me sub wise, it's still good. Okay, they're actually in what at kind of close with one of the support area. This is also a reaccumulation with a shakeout. Okay, reaccumulation with a shakeout. So trying to push, fail, retest. Okay, so probably we're going to change the resistance again. Okay, but this is a main resistance at 10 ringgit 40 cents area. Okay, 10 ringgit 40 cents area is one of the so-called main resistance that you probably want to watch out also. Okay, because again, market is not that strong, so everything touch resistance is a bit difficult to make a follow through nowadays. Okay, but based on current chart patterns, I'm looking purely into daily charts. Yes, the setup, everything is still good. They tested support well with hammer. Okay, now let's do into Bursa. Okay, Bursa in downtrend. I don't see setups, to be frank. Okay, I don't see a good setups coming from this chart. All right, what previously I draw this line for what one? Okay, let me go to weekly. Okay. Here, okay. I think previously you asked me before, and I look into based on weekly. So okay, now this is the previous so-called support area. Break ready. Okay, so this support habis. Okay, next strong one I think should be somewhere around here. Okay, which I think is still valid at this moment. 7 ringgit 20 cents. All right. Now, considering daily setups currently, okay, I think they will go to this level. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call. I just take note on that. A few reasons why. First of all, here no reversal setups. Okay, yes, we have yesterday up bar, but yesterday is a technical rebound days, so technically most of the counters come with up bar. All right, so sometimes, okay, again, remember sometimes one or two up bar candle doesn't mean it's changed to uptrend. Sometimes I saw a lot of people comment, wow, up bar already, buy. Okay, but it's not. Okay, you have to know that. Okay, uptrend, downtrend also got red and green candle. So this kind of green candle doesn't mean that it will change to shoot to here. Okay, so well, right now I can say that there's no setups for Bursa at this moment, and I think that they will continue to test the support. Okay, now let's turn into time.com. I think so far so good. I didn't really follow, but last week I checked, it's still good. Okay, still good. But the problem with this one, this one very, very similar like Tenaga, in my opinions. Okay, really similar to Tenaga. Okay, why? Because they are doing a so-called a period of reaccumulation, okay, which is I think at least 6 months. So yes, it do have shakeout. One thing about times.com is that they shake out longer, okay, weeks to months, okay. Now the things is very similar is that they also tested resistance several times. If you look into Tanaga, also double top, okay. The day also I thought they're going to make follow through, but it reversed, okay, a bit disappointing on the day. So time.com also the same. It do tested I think 3 times. I consider this also. So maybe we'll see a retest to support. Okay, now if you really want to, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, so if let's say you are looking for exit, I think yes, it's very close to resistance. I think your profit must be good. It's good to consider in this area. If not, you can the immediate support that you can actually monitor. Let me just zoom in. Is this gap. Okay, one good thing is that they are still holding around the gaps. So this is the things that is good about time.com right now. Okay, so if they are still stay above the gap, I think yes, it's still worth to look into it. Maybe they will have a momentum later, okay, to break through 4.90 cents. Okay, so let's say it dropped below the gaps, it probably will test 4.50 cents again, and it will sideways sekejap. Okay, normally gap is like that. When they break, when they create gaps, normally it will become a certain support resistance. Okay, you can take a look into the recent one is a BMKLCI, right? So yesterday tried to close gap but other today also looks like tak jadi. So while we have to wait until afternoon, let's see the overall direction. But now I'm looking into some sort of like a bit of recovery kind of counters, like for example, OPSA, I like it. Okay. Inari, probably later we'll take a look into that. Okay, front can, those that are having high volume candles, but I use hourly chart to confirm that. Okay, now Gabuda for me, no lah. Okay, Kevin, no. Okay, so I think Gabuda I do mentions since last week or last 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. Okay, about this kind of patterns that you have to be extra careful, right? So here high volume, shooting star, drop with high volume. So again, this few kind of patterns, right, actually is a sign of distributions. Okay, again, I might be wrong. Okay, not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to, if you do your study, if you think that FA is good, they're giving a very good valuations. Now it's undervalued. It's good deal. Yeah, you can buy because it's based on FA. But TA wise, I think I do expend a lot of time already. This one is actually a bit of so-called distribution kind of patterns. It's a bit similar to nakeds. Okay, so the other day over here on 12 March, actually I didn't really follow up. Like I said, all those like DC related counters, I really follow nowadays really because it looks like the show is. I'm not sure whether they'll resume or not. Second half of this year or end of this year. But so far, what I can see is that the game seems like it's a bit over already. Okay, maybe they need some time to restart back on the teams, but looks like all the DC now all is like habis already at the cerita. Okay, maybe you have to wait for another wave coming in. All right, so now for Gamuda itself, it break this crucial support. I think I do talk about this also because I draw this line. Okay, so I must mention about this. Okay, now drop with high volume some more. Okay, you know this is a sign to tell us that not good. It's not good. So again, I'm not sure what is your aim. Okay, what is your aim? You are buying whole, or maybe you're looking for a technical rebound. Like for me, I'm looking for technical rebound. So yes, if let's say take a rebound, maybe you will have it. Okay, because it's kind of far away from 2040s already. Okay, maybe it was a short technical rebound might happen. But if you plan to buy a whole one, I think that we should wait for a nicer setups. Okay, if you plan to buy and hold. Okay, now let's go into Uchi Tech. Okay, let's go to Uchi Tech. Okay, Uchi Tech. Oh, it's also scary drop, gap down also. Let's go into weekly chart. Oh, looking for short-term trades. Okay, I go back to Gamuda later on. But short-term trades, if let's say you lose daily, right? Macam no setup also. Okay, later I share with you my OpStar the reasons why I look into it. okay, then maybe you can see whether is it applicable or not in Gamuda. So, but anyway, I'm more of the type of kiasu trader. I usually look for some confirmation before I enter. I don't like catching a falling knife. But if you are those that so-called experienced in catching a falling knife, okay, you can do it because I saw some people can do it on. Okay, like for example, those go right. Oh, do they go up really? Or make money? Okay, but I cannot because for me personally, I don't like catching a falling knife. It's a bit dangerous. Like for example, like what happens a few weeks ago, people thought that oh, net gates all stood up bottom up, but it dropped furthermore. Okay, then you died badly. Okay, so I usually like to look for certain criteria. Okay, then we look into that. Okay, now let's go back to Uchitek lah. Long term can or not? Okay, now for me, so far still boleh. Okay, so far still boleh. Okay, so here this is a long term so-called support line. Okay, so this is long term support line. Previously we have one hammer. This week looks like a hammer. Okay, but still yet to close. But today is Friday already. I believe it will be a hammer. So, okay, now for me, again, similar like the Naga, as long as above support is fine. This is 3.50. Okay, this is 3.50. So if your price still above 3.50 range, I think yeah, still can look for long terms opportunity. This is a main resistance. Here actually got some selling. Notice here, this week over here, it actually dropped with high volume. Okay, so again, expect Uchitek trend will be somehow sideways. It won't be like this anymore. Okay, first of all, this is a change of trend already, a change of directions already. They break below 2040, also a sign to tell that there is a change of direction. But doesn't mean it will drop badly lah. But sometimes it's a sideways like the Naga after the trend up already, and now sideways 6 months, 9 months, shake out, go back up. Okay, so they are going into this kind of so-called periods. So okay, now long terms again, we like to use my analyzer to see, okay, is there any so-called good ratings, okay, for us. Okay, 6 out of 9, not too bad. Okay, 6 out of 9. Normally for FA ratings, I prefer to see at least 7, above 7, okay, using partial scale F score. But 6 also not too bad. TA wise is out. Okay, TA wise is out. Definitely now it's sideways. Right. So again, if you ask me long term, can. Okay, long term can. So okay, now let's go to KGB. Okay, but for for Warren, I will use back the mother share because normally Warren will follow mother share one. So I will use KGB rather than WB chart. Okay, this is for JC. Okay, KGB also looks like doing a shakeout. This is again a long period of so-called reaccumulation is forming. Okay, this is a crucial so-called shakeout area. Okay, previously we have one shakeout, another big shakeout. Now looks like also that trend and a round shakeout. Okay, so trend wise, I think okay. Just that right now they are doing shakeout. Okay, now let's go into weekly. Weekly basis, okay. So far so good. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now looking for short term one, right? Okay, now use mother share lah. Okay, use mother share. Okay, so here will be your immediate support, I think, which is current price. This is the current price at 3.2 range. Okay, 3.2 range, which is your so-called the current support area. Okay, that you should watch out and monitor. Okay, let's say drop below here. The trend is might weaken a bit. Okay, I think that everything is still okay. Long term is still strong, but just that sometimes they will test here, and maybe here also. So if let's say you buy Warren some more, you know your risk is pretty high sometimes scary because it will drop 20%. Let's see KGB WB. What's the price for WB? Okay, 1 ringgit 80 cents, still okay, but let's say drop to 1 ringgit 60 cents, also quite a lot, 10%, I believe. Okay, so here, okay, maybe you drop to this support. Okay, so probably you want to check out mother share first. Okay, let's say above 3.2, I think still fine. Okay, but if let's say drop below, then you have to be prepared. They will test around 1.6 already. Okay, for WB. Okay, so it's a bit difficult to. Again, I'm not sure you're looking for long term. Long term wise, I think fine. Okay, because they are doing a reaccumulation with some shakeup. Okay, short terms. Okay, careful on the mother share 3.2 level. Okay, let's look into MMAG. Wow, this one still can jalan more. Walao eh. Okay, got nothing much to comment actually. This is to JMQ Tan. Okay, nothing much to comment. This one's still riding on the trend. Nice hammer. Okay, nice hammer. Yesterday also break up. Here got pullback success. To be fair, I got nothing much to comment. This one's still riding on the trend in this kind of markets. Okay, surprise. No weakness so far. Okay, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. If you're looking for exits, you probably want to check out using the hourly chart. Let's see whether got any weakness sign or not. Okay, for example, like all those like shooting star, all this, but this one a bit illiquid also. It's a bit difficult to so called to determine. But you let me know you are looking for entry ke, exit ke. Entry right now is a bit risky lah. Okay, best one if let's say you're looking for entry, assuming you're looking for entry, 53 cents. Okay, this area over here. This is the previous resistance. Okay, which I believe it will become the new support. Okay, 0.53. Okay, so that's the area if you're looking for entry. Okay, can comment on KPG. Looking for EP midterm, share opinions. Okay, sure. So let's look into KPG. I believe also this one is riding on a nice trend, right? Okay, nice pullback so far. Today also not much volume on down bar. So far so good. Okay, now KPG break resistance. This is nice pullback. I think MMAG you can aim something like this. Okay, so here breaking above this resistance level. Now looks like they're testing. Okay, 2.5 I think is a so-called a good area for you to watch out. Okay, 2.5 I think is a good area for you to watch out. So yes, this one the setup everything's still good. Okay, still good. Of course, you want to be safer. You can actually wait for another pullback complete signal. Okay, but sometimes pullback complete signal is a bit slightly far away from support. So if you don't want that, then yeah, this is a bit close to support level. Okay, if you got any other questions, if not, probably I just go through some of these my alerts over here. Okay, today at least more green. Okay, for a couple of days, everything is red. My signal, everything is red. Okay, tak ada benda trades. Okay, but at least today mostly in green. Okay, of course, gold, I know, Pokong, Tome, Almas, gap up already. So I probably won't look into that today. I'm more interested in something that yesterday jalan a bit, but today make a little bit of retracement. So probably I'm going to aim for the type of stocks. Okay, so for example, you can actually go back to yesterday alerts. Okay, we can check back yesterday one. I think one of them is JPG. Let's try JPG. JPG also doing a shakeout. Okay, today started to cross already. Okay, worth to pay attention to. TTVHB yesterday also very active. Okay, no pullback. Okay, no pullback up. Opstar is the one that, like I said, I'm monitoring. So okay, I go back to our chart. Wow, turns to green already. Just now I saw still red if not mistaken. Okay, so here, okay, some change of trends coming using this hourly chart. Okay, looks like pushing it back. Okay, actually, like I said, I'm a bit stingy everyone. So sometimes I will park a bit low one. Let's see whether I can aim around 50 cents or not. Okay, so looks like let's say 50 cents, they're able to go back to 60 cents. I think it's a good trade for me as well. Okay, so probably I will wait until maybe after lunch. I'll see how it goes. Okay, because today market looks like started to come a little bit. I'm not sure whether today is Friday. Okay, so come a little bit. Okay, let's look into WCE. So far, I only can spot Opstar that are interested for today. Okay, so if you got any, just share with me. WCEHB. Okay, this is also like a reaccumulation zone, but looks like they are doing shakeout as well. Now let's put into weekly so you can see better. JC looking for entry exit. Okay, let me know if you're looking for entry exit now. So this is like a so-called reaccumulation area. Okay, price moving sideways. And here we go, one shakeout. Now, potentially, I think this will be the next shakeout. Okay, so if you want to have a trade with some sort of momentum, short terms, okay, back to 57 cents. Okay, I think I will be more interested because once you're back here, maybe got chance to retest around 86 cents. Okay, for short term tradings. All right. If you are planning to enter right now, if you're really, really keen right now, okay, WCEHB is the one, then this will be your support. 70 cents. Break below 70 cents, you must decide very, very quickly already. Okay, if not, it kind of similar like, maybe like Gamuda, like Naked. Okay, they break support, they will continue to go down. But so far, okay, what I'm trying to say is that if you really keen right now, you really need to buy right now. You are looking for somehow slightly long-term one. Okay, because you study the FA everything, 70 cents is the nice support. Okay, but if you're looking for momentum tradings, looking for shakeout trades, looking for short-term squeak range in support resistance, above 75 cents. Okay, so for me, I personally would wait for the momentum types. Okay, trading above 75 cents somewhere around this zone. Okay, maybe I will try to aim for the next resistance over here. Like similar like here, right? It breaks. This is shakeout, it breaks, hold, retest. Okay, then back to support again. Okay, so depending on what type of so-called strategy that you're using. Okay, now probably last one now we go for 99 speed mark. So at least okay, market got a little bit of hopes already. Just that, do remember this is not the so-called real recovery. Sometimes it's a dead cat bounce. I think you heard that before, or we call it as technical rebound. Anything that drop one, it will come back up one, but it doesn't mean it will like this one. Okay, like this also maybe it will come back up here, then it will drop again. Right, so yeah, make sure if you really want to enter right now, you keep short term first. Okay, if let's say you spot anything that unusual, break support, then I think you have to do a bit of decisions there. Okay, now let's go to 99. Okay, 99. I thought here is a shakeout, but it dropped further, a bit disappointing to be frank. Okay, right now for me, if looking for entry, I don't see any setups. Okay, because they are still trading below 20 MA, and the volume okay lah, so lah, not so heavy lah. So okay, now let's do into hourly chart. Yeah, no setups. Okay, to be frank with you, 99 speed mark, right? I don't see any good setups. I don't see any good setup because this one looks like still. Obviously, it's still downtrend. Obviously, they are still downtrend, and they don't show any so-called the change of direction or trend yet at this moment. Okay, but looks like this downtrend is not very bad because over here I don't see any like major weakness. Okay, I don't see any like major weakness. So yeah, when they recover, I think it will be quite fast. Okay, it's kind of similar like those like I think Tomei Pokong. Okay, you look into Tomei Pokong. Sometimes it's that market they have to wait for the news or teams. Not Pokong. I think Almas. Okay, sometimes I have to wait for the teams everything to make them to push back up. So for example, like here also, it drops, but it didn't show any like a major weakness. So sometimes they can recover a bit faster. Okay, but for 99, maybe ask me again next week. Okay, we see got any change or not in this so-called temporary downtrend. Okay, two more lah. We go for two more. This is Genetech. Genetech also. This one also similar 99. Okay, similar 99. Short-term trend is down, but I think it's not too bad. Okay, because the volume everything is very very low at this moment, average to low. So I don't think it's a big deal. But looking for short-term opportunity, I don't see that. Okay, I don't see that. Okay, because here also I think they break this support level. It didn't hold. So maybe next one they will come to this level. Okay, let me see. Oh, maybe it's this level. Here got another one. But sometimes support is support. You have to see whether got strength or not. Okay, support will be there. But just that whether it's strong or not is different thing. Okay, so what they mean is that you want to see more like a hammer. I think hammer would be nice to have in around this area. So again, Genetech, trend wise, not too bad. Short term downtrend. If you're aiming for short term quick trades, no setups for me. Okay, for Genetech. Okay, now let's go into VS. Wah, semua sama pun yo. Okay, all the same lah. Okay, all the same lah. I think my comment would be still the same. I don't see any major trend reversal. Okay, here yes we got some increasing volume. Yesterday tried to close gap but tak jadi. Okay, now this one I believe probably they will do a tanker rebound because a bit far away from the 20 MA already. Okay, and of course the volume on this hammer, even though it's not highest, but it's increasing. So if you're aiming for short term, yes, maybe it will hit this level and then drop back again. Okay, now this is the best one to use hourly chart. This is the best one to use hourly chart. Okay, let's look into hourly chart. Okay. Okay, if you really want to JMQ, okay, support I think is around 86 cents. Okay, here will be your support. Maybe you can aim somewhere around this level, 96 cents. Okay, if you are looking for short term one. Okay, if you're looking for short terms. So this one is a bit similar, potentially like Opstar also. Opstar, I'm looking into it. But if you notice Opstar, I wait for the pullback confirmation. Okay, then only I look for my chance, okay, for entry because looks like they are trying to do a reversal, okay, from this level here, which has come with more confirmation. So sometimes you require a bit of waiting patient for the stocks to show this kind of setups. Okay, any other stocks that you want me to look into? Okay, if not, we will end our section this morning. Okay, so far the one that I like it is only Opsa. Okay, WCT. Okay, not too bad. Probably technical rebound might happen. This one will be similar to VS. So here we got a small hammer with volume. Okay, now looks like doing a little bit of technical rebound. But yesterday candle it didn't show high volume. Zoom in. Okay, we zoom in. Check. Okay, yesterday volume is done. It didn't show high volume up bar. So normally like this, you know that it's not a real reversal. Maybe it's technical rebound to here, then maybe drop back. Okay, so again, aim for short term. Okay, so with this, thank you for joining me in this morning quick updates over here. Do remember tonight also we have another section together with Dato Yu, where he will share with you more into so-called portfolio management. Okay, in this kind of volatile market, he actually is a value investor with aiming for long term. So if you interested, okay, to learn more about how to build a portfolio for long term gain, then probably want to join us tonight. Right. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you in tonight's sections.